Hi, I'm Marina and it's great to see you. Today we will be going to meet a very special person, Jonathan Van Nes, JVN. Those of you who are followers of his know that he's a celebrity hairstylist, the creator of the brand JVN Hair, as well as he's one of the stars of the hit show Queer Eye. Now, while I'm going to meet Jonathan, I will also be testing out a brand new concealer, the new Makeup Forever HD Skin Creaseless Concealer. Let's see how it holds up during the day, and if you'd like to see how that goes, keep on watching.
Hi, what's your name, honey? Nice to meet you, Marina. I love your haircut.
I've been wearing this concealer for 9 hours now, and my final thoughts on the Makeup Forever HD Skin Creaseless Concealer are that it definitely is 100% creaseless. It did not crease. It is very skin-like, and I have to say it gives light to medium coverage. Now, as you can still see a bit of my darkness peeking through underneath my eyes, I will say if you have dark circles and you need more coverage, this is not for you. But if you want a skin-like finish that definitely will not crease, and this 100% is for you. See you next time. Bye.
Thank you.